Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm an event designer based out of Columbia, South Carolina, and I just recently purchased the Posh Academy's Draping Design Virtual Masterclass. The biggest benefit for me with this course is that Precious teaches you how to draw out your designs before you start draping, which is very, very beneficial for me because I'm a visual person. So that reduces time, setup time when you get to your event. She also teaches you how to purchase your own fabric bolts and create your own drapes, which cuts down on cost and time because we all know that draping can be very, very expensive. Last but not least, even though it's a virtual course, Precious is always available for questions. If you have any questions about anything that you may have seen on the course, all you have to do is reach out to her on Messenger and she will respond. I think the longest wait time I've had waiting for a response from Precious, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know how she does it. She's amazing. But my advice to you is if you are serious about your event and design business, then purchase a course and invest in your craft, and you will be very happy that you did.